Hello friends, welcome to Sagar Info Mode. In this video, I will show you how you can download any software with just one click. In this laptop, I just freshly installed the Windows and completely format means complete data erased here. So I want to as you can see here, I format this laptop completely, so I want to install all the software at once because I didn't have that much of time to serve different website to download different softwares. Okay, so by this as you can see, this is application used to install all the software at once. As you can see, the software patch my PC. The link of this software given into the description. You just have to click on that and you will be automatically redirecting to here. Okay, so यहाँ पर जैसे कि आप बटन देख रहे हो डाउनलोड पैच माई पीसी होम अपडेटर, उस पर आपको सिंपली क्लिक कर देना है and save this software in your local computer. And you have to be patient. And one more important thing, guys, to use this software you should have a strong internet connection, means you should have at least 15 to 20 mbps of internet broadband connection. If it is slow, then no problem, just I will tell you for your convenience. हम जब कभी विंडोज़ फॉर्मेट करते हैं लैपटॉप में, तो जब हमारा सारा डेटा इरेज हो जाता है तो तब हमें सभी सॉफ्टवेयर्स मीन जो भी रिक्वायर्ड सॉफ्टवेयर जो होते हैं जो हम पहले यूज़ करते थे उसे हमें सब कुछ फिर से इंस्टॉल करना पड़ता है। तो हमारे पास उतना टाइम नहीं रहता है कि सब कुछ एक के बाद करें। इसीलिए हम इस सॉफ्टवेयर की मदद से सब कुछ सॉफ्टवेयर सिंपल एक जस्ट वन क्लिक में इंस्टॉल करने वाले हैं। जैसे कि यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हो, मैंने यहाँ पर 5वें पीसी वाले सॉफ्टवेयर पर डबल क्लिक कर दिया है, ये ओपन होकर आ जाएगा हमारे सामने अभी। Now friends, you can see here the software is comes up and you can see the configuration of your Windows OS is Microsoft 64-bit and definition and host name, now everything. Okay, so now the select the software which you want to install and just tick mark which software you want to install at just one click. Just give tick mark to the software. So I just select the Google Chrome, that is important browser to be have. You can select as many software you want. You can select the VLC media player also for playing the videos, and file achiever WinRAR, because we are mainly using this software to unzip the files. So many softwares here we can select, and just deselect the OneDrive, no need of this software. So as you can see, Google Chrome and WinRAR, I selected two software and click on to the perform two updates. Now you can see here friends, the Google Chrome size is 65 MB. So now let me will see how much time it take to download and install this software in your freshly installed laptop. I just pause. You can see my time also in the taskbar. Now downloaded successfully and installing also there. Okay, install also successful. So be hand for me. Now select the driver booster software. This is important for to update the driver to the latest version. Okay, लूट लो जितने चाहे सॉफ्टवेयर उतने लूट लो। Installing, Now you can see the icon in your desktop as it finishes installation. No, it is also successfully installed. I didn't pause here. Okay, so you can see the interface of the software. So I will close the software. So guys, please support us, subscribe to my channel.